How to make a new Supercell ID. The very first thing you want to do is to launch any of the game that includes Supercell ID. Let me head over to Clash Royale. Once you have launched the game, tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. At the bottom, the option of Supercell ID will be visible to you. Click on it. This interface will appear on your screen. The existing Supercell ID will also be visible to you, but as we're looking to create a new one, tap on Register a Supercell ID and then click on Continue. It will land you on this page where you'll be able to create a new Supercell ID. First thing you want to do is to enter your email address and then re-enter your email address. You can tap on this checkbox, Receive news and updates from Supercell, and then click on Register. You will receive one verification code on your email address. You have to copy that code and paste it here. Once you have entered the code, click on Submit. And there you go, you are all set. Your Supercell ID has been created successfully. So that's all for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to create a new Supercell ID. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.